What if I told you that some of the most expensive things in life aren't just status symbols, but actually investments in your future? It's not just about spending lavishly. It's about making informed decisions that add real value to your life. We're exploring 10 such items that millionaires swear by. Things that not only justify their price tags, but can potentially transform your life. Stick around till the end to discover how these investments can pave your path to financial success and personal fulfillment. These 10 expensive things that are actually worth it, backed by facts, figures, and insights from successful individuals. Subscribe the Wealthy channel and let's dive in. Number 1. Quality travel experiences. In the realm of luxury and fulfillment, few investments rival the transformative power of quality travel experiences. Whether it's exploring exotic landscapes, immersing in diverse cultures, or indulging in world-class hospitality, these journeys elevate life beyond the mundane. Sadly, many people prioritize short-lived luxuries over enriching experiences. This mindset not only leads to missed opportunities for personal development, but also perpetuates a cycle of shallow fulfillment. To embrace the transformative power of travel, start by prioritizing experiences that resonate with your passions and values rather than following fleeting trends. Allocate a portion of your budget consistently for travel savings, treating it as an investment in your personal growth and happiness. It's not about the price tag, but the value of memories created and lessons learned. A luxury car depreciates, but memories of scaling Machu Picchu or savoring gelato in Italy appreciate in emotional and intellectual value over time. Number 2. High-quality mattress. Think about it. If you're waking up tired, unfocused, and in pain every day, how do you expect to perform at your best? The ultra-rich understand that sleep is a high-return investment, not an expense. Good sleep improves decision-making, and science backs it up. Poor sleep leads to memory loss, slower thinking, and even weight gain. A cheap mattress is costing you more than money. It's stealing your energy, health, and focus. Skimping on sleep quality leads to burnout, brain fog, and lower earning potential. Instead of settling for restless nights, take control. Number 3. Tailored clothing. First impressions can make or break opportunities, and nothing says success like a perfectly tailored outfit. The rich understand this. Your clothes aren't just fabric, they're your personal brand, your confidence booster, and your silent salesman. Studies show that well-fitted clothing instantly increases confidence and makes people perceive you as more competent. Yet, many settle for off-the-rack outfits that don't fit, don't flatter, and don't command respect. Our clothes shape how the world sees you, and more importantly, how you see yourself. Dress like you already belong at the top. Number 4. First-class travel. Most people think flying first class is just about fancy seats and free champagne. But the wealthy know better. It's a power move, not a luxury. Time is the most valuable currency, and first-class travel isn't about spending more. It's about gaining efficiency, comfort, and peak performance. While the average traveler wastes hours in exhaustion, cramped seats, and jet lag, high achievers arrive refreshed, focused, and ready to seize million-dollar opportunities. If you can't afford first class yet, use travel rewards, upgrade selectively for critical trips, or at least prioritize comfort. Richard Branson built an empire by focusing on how experiences impact performance. His first-class mindset made Virgin Airlines a success. First class isn't about spending big, it's about thinking big. If your comfort, energy, and time aren't priorities, you're already losing. Number 5. Real estate in prime locations. The rich don't just buy property, they buy influence, prestige, and guaranteed wealth growth. Real estate in prime locations isn't just about a fancy address. It's about scarcity, appreciation, and access to power. Look at cities like New York, London, and Dubai. Land in key areas doesn't lose value. It skyrockets. As Andrew Carnegie famously said, 90% of millionaires become so through owning real estate. People buy cheap properties in bad locations, thinking they're getting a deal, only to end up with depreciating assets that trap their money. Smart investors know the secret. Location beats everything. Owning property in a prime location isn't just a flex. It's a financial power move that guarantees long-term wealth and security. Number 6. High-quality kitchen and nutrition. Most people treat food as an afterthought. grabbing cheap, processed meals, eating out constantly, and ignoring the long-term effects. But here's what the rich understand. Your energy, focus, and health determine your earning potential. A well-equipped kitchen and high-quality nutrition aren't just about eating well. They're an investment in peak performance. People buy cheap food thinking they're saving money, but they end up paying in medical bills, lost productivity, and burnout. Fast food might seem convenient, but it wrecks focus and drains energy. Upgrade your kitchen with tools that make healthy eating effortless. A high-performance blender, quality cookware, or an air fryer to replace deep-fried junk. The wealthiest people eat for performance, not just taste. Your body is your greatest asset. Fuel it like a millionaire and it will reward you with energy, focus, and longevity. You wouldn't pour cheap, low-quality fuel into a Ferrari. So why fuel your body with junk and expect high performance? Number 7. Private memberships and networks. The rich don't just network. They buy access to power, influence, and life-changing opportunities. Private memberships and elite networks are not about luxury. They're about proximity to the right people. Look at how billionaires operate. They don't waste time in random circles. They pay for memberships in high-level business clubs, masterminds, and private events where game-changing deals happen. A struggling entrepreneur once invested in an exclusive business club. Within a year, he secured million-dollar partnerships and leveled up his income. If you can't afford elite memberships yet, start small. Join industry groups, attend premium conferences, or invest in courses that connect you with top performers. Success isn't just about what you know, it's about who knows you. If you're not in the right rooms, you're already behind. Number 8. Premium health and fitness. Wealth is useless if you're too sick, tired, or burned out to enjoy it. The rich understand that your body is your number one asset, because when you have energy, strength, and focus, you make smarter decisions and earn more. In the 5 a.m. Club, Robin Sharma says, one of the greatest regrets people have on their deathbeds is that they sacrificed their health for success. Most people treat fitness like an expense instead of an investment. They spend thousands on cars and gadgets but refuse to pay for a high-quality gym, personal training, or nutrition coaching. Then wonder why they feel exhausted all the time. Prioritize your health like the wealthy do. High performers invest in top-tier fitness memberships, recovery therapies, and personal coaching because they know a strong body equals a strong mind. You wouldn't let your phone battery drop to 1%, so why let your body run on low energy every day? Number 9. A financial advisor. Most people believe they can handle everything themselves until they realize they've wasted years on bad investments, unnecessary taxes, and missed opportunities. The biggest money mistake? Thinking you can do it all alone. You wouldn't perform surgery on yourself, so why risk your financial future without expert help? The wealthy don't just make money, they protect, grow, and multiply it strategically. That's why they hire financial advisors, wealth managers, and tax strategists to ensure their money is always working for them. A young entrepreneur once thought he was saving money by managing his finances solo. But after hiring an advisor, he optimized his taxes, invested wisely, and grew his net worth 5x faster. Invest in financial wisdom and you'll never struggle with money again. Number 10. Personal development and coaching. In the Millionaire Fast Lane, MJ DeMarco says, your wealth is tied to your ability to solve problems. The rich invest in their mindset, skills, and knowledge before anything else. Yet, most people spend thousands on entertainment but hesitate to invest in books, mentors, or courses that could transform their financial future. You are your greatest asset. The more you invest in yourself, the bigger your financial future becomes. Start with a book, a course, or a mentor who's ahead of you. The question isn't, can I afford coaching? It's, can I afford to stay the same? In every video, I try to discuss and address the factors that surely improve the chances of your success. If you like this also, subscribe the channel, like, and share the wealthy knowledge to your loved ones. From the bottom of our hearts, thank you for joining us. See you in the next video.